Need to cancel a class at the last minute without sounding rude? Let's see how Flor handles it in this real Argentine WhatsApp conversation.
Hola, Romy. Disculpa que te avise sobre la hora, pero no llego a la clase hoy.
Uy, qué pena. Hoy les iba a enseñar unos ejercicios nuevos.
Ni me digas. Espero poder estar ahí el miércoles.
Dale, Flor, no pasa nada. Espero verte el miércoles entonces.
Ojalá pueda. Gracias, nos vemos.
Let's look at some expressions from this chat. Disculpa que te avise sobre la hora means sorry for the last-minute notice. It's a polite way to apologize for informing someone late. No llego a la clase means I won't make it to class. In Argentina, this is a common way to say you can't attend. Ni me digas literally means don't even tell me, but it expresses empathy, like I know, it sucks. Ojalá pueda is a hopeful way to say I hope I can. The tone is casual and friendly, showing how to cancel without sounding cold or unreliable. This is a great example of how to cancel plans in Spanish without burning bridges. If you liked this real-life chat, make sure to subscribe and check out the next one in the playlist. And don't forget to get the full ebook, Real Spanish Conversations from Argentina. If you want more real Spanish conversation with vocabulary and verb breakdowns, link in the description.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.